Hey guys, Jordy here. Got Ninja on the table.
Hello.
So we're just going to be looking at some lower back treatment today, and we'll be hitting some of those MMT money spots through the sacrum. So yeah, we'll get into it. So for a start, just want to find that spine of the sacrum there. Just slowly putting pressure with our pisiform on our hand. Just nice and intentional, just holding that space there for Ninja. Just slowly sinking in.
It's like you, a meditation teacher, I reckon, Jordy. Yeah, he's very calm.
Okay.
You ever run a meditation before?
No.
No? Oh, I reckon you'd be a natural.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I reckon you'd be pretty good too, Ninja.
Yeah, I've done a few. After the Wim Hofs.
Yeah, I've done it, yeah.
Yeah.
So just feeling into that sacrum area, just sinking deeper and deeper. How's that feeling for you, Ninja?
Good, man. You can go deeper, go more weight.
Yeah.
More weight into it.
Up towards your head.
Or just straight down, I reckon. Straight down towards the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, just sort of that produces that kind of stretch in the ligaments and that good ache.
Yeah.
The good stuff that you want. You can be my pusher, eh?
Yeah.
Like that video, did ya?
Loved it.
The people at home want to watch our Instagram channel. Go back. When did we do that video? July 2024. Yeah, it was pretty good. A trending song. And yeah, a bit of a skit.
Still hitting that spot, Ninja?
Yeah, that feels good. Feels therapeutic. That weight is kind of we're really robust through this area of body, and if it's stuck, yeah, we need some heavy panel beating to come in, some heavy weight, because we don't want to create trauma. We don't want to go too fast and go beyond people's boundaries, but we do need to connect in deep in order to kind of shift those deep changes, make those deep changes. So yeah, it feels really good. That SIJ stuff now, I can kind of feel good ache in there where you kind of
moving.
Yeah, I can feel you moving out now. Yep.
Wrist movement. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so I'm definitely a lot deeper than when we started. Just letting Ninja accept, the pressure that's coming, and the body work that he's going to be experiencing. So.
Yep. Yeah, it's a very important part of the body, the sacrum, and it's not worked. But when you kind of look at the anatomy of this kind of like 2 centimeters of real thick fascia and kind of muscle origins down there, thin layers of muscle, and all the nerve endings come out through the sacrum itself. A lot of pain can be fixed, eradicated by working on the sacrum. So these little stuck spots can be cleared, and then the function is restored. So yeah, it's important. So yeah, people watching this, you can just sort of sense, even just watching it, it's therapeutic. There's
And I haven't moved.
Yeah.
Same spot.
Yeah, but just changing angles.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Just little wrist movements, letting that pisiform sort of move a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, this feels really good on that SIJ area, sacroiliac joint.
How's it feeling?
That's good, man.
Right. I'm going to sink it out. So just nice and slowly, just sinking out.
Whoa, that's a slow sink out, bro.
Don't want to come out too fast and, see the palm there.
Yeah.
That's pisiform, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next, So just that sacrum and ilium there. So we're just finding that point where they meet. And we're just starting back a little bit, taking the slack out. Just slipping off that hip there. So my pisiform's right in that corner there, in that little junction. And then as we sort of slip off, we can use our other hand to help push some force back in.
Whoa.
That way down towards Ninja's feet.
It's good work, Jordy.
Is that feeling good there?
Yeah, mate, you're good at this.
Cool.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's where the body needs it. Therapeutic.
Yep. And same thing, just slowly increasing that pressure. Staying on that same spot.
That's really good. You can just feel it all hitting the right spots, and then the intensity goes once you held it.
Yeah.
The state changes.
And you can see me just sort of, I guess, rotating my shoulders a little bit, and that just helps my palm just slightly move on that one spot. So I might just sink out of there as well. So what we can do is get a bit more pressure in there. We can sink an elbow in. I think you can see that again there. Cool. So yeah, same thing, same spot as we just did. So just slipping off there and just slowly sinking in. Feeling the tissue melt a little bit, and then as we sink a bit deeper we can start to push back in. I'm pushing down towards Ninja's feet.
Yeah.
About there. So I just changed that angle a bit with my elbow, and that's sort of more pointing into that little junction. And then I just, can put a little bit more pressure, push in that way, this angle here. How's that feeling, Ninja?
Yeah, good.
That way a bit. Elbow can be a little bit harder to sort of feel what's going on than your palm and fingers, but you just work with the client and what's feeling good for them. How's it feeling since we first started, Ninja?
Yeah, good, man. Yeah, you've hitting the spots, you're being effective. Yeah, so it's exploring angles.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, so you kind of clear the whole thing.
Holding that space for the client and letting their nervous system calm down and accept it, and, go from whatever pain they're at, an 8 out of 10 to down to a 2. Bit more there.
Yeah, it's good.
So I'm still in that same spot. Well, just slight movements. You can see from Ninja's reaction, I sort of hit more of a tender point for him. that ninja's going down at all.
Yeah, no, you've done a good job.
So after we've held this for a while, we can actually follow that top of the hip bone, the ilium, the iliac crest. So now that we've sunk deep with the elbow, you can really feel it on this side of my elbow. And you can just slowly work across that, on top of that iliac crest. Like really slow here. Not too much movement. How's that feeling, Ninja?
Yeah, good. Complete.
We've got no wax on either, so it's helping to stick to Ninja a bit better and not move too fast. Letting all of his tissue feel what's coming up and accept it, not go too fast where he's going to be jumping off the table. Bit more coming up.
Yep. Just wasn't as bad as I thought.
Still got my elbow pointed to the top of that hip bone, just letting it scrape along that bone. All good, Ninja?
Yep.
I'm just sinking out now. Just nice and slow again. Yeah. How's it feeling?
Yeah, good.
Bit of
Did
movement.
good, mate. You did good. You did good. Well done.
Done, are we?
You done?
Yeah. So if you got some lower back pain, come and see us at Melbourne Muscular Therapies. And yeah.
Get fixed.
Come get fixed.
Come get fixed. He's bloody good. Book in.
Done. Done.